Some more cities. A city is a large and important town. We have already read in earlier lessons that Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai are four of the major cities of India. At one time, India only had these four metros, but today there are other cities, some of which are bigger than these four metros. These cities were small towns a few decades ago, but since then there has been a sharp increase in their population. They have also developed better facilities, services, and infrastructure. The cities are Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Lucknow, and Guwahati. So, in this lesson, we will study in detail about all these cities. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier known as Bangalore. It has grown rapidly to become the third largest city of India, larger even than Chennai and Kolkata. Bengaluru is known as a garden city with its many trees and beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Cubbon Park. Bengaluru enjoys a moderate climate throughout the year. The places of tourist interest include the Vidhan Soda, Lal Bagh, the Government Museum, and Tipu Sultan's Palace. Bengaluru is also called the Silicon Valley of India, as it is the biggest software development center of India. The other industries in Bengaluru include the aircraft, textile, and electronic goods industry. Bengaluru is famous for its silk saris, rosewood, and sandalwood items. Most of the people here speak Kannada. Tamil, Urdu, Hindi, and English are also spoken here. The major festivals celebrated are Dasara and Makar Sankranti. Bangalore Karaga is one of the oldest festivals celebrated in Bengaluru. Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, and Christmas are also celebrated here. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is an old city. The Qutub Shahi rulers founded it around 400 years ago. Today, it is the fourth most populated city of India. It is also the capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It includes the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. The Hussain Sagar Lake connects them. Hyderabad has hot summers and cool winters. It has grown into an important center for the computer industry. It is famous for pearl jewelry, its textiles, especially Pochampalli saris, and Hyderabadi biryani. Hyderabad has many places of tourist interest. The Charminar, the Mecca Masjid, one of the largest mosques in the world, Salar Jung Museum, the Qutub Shahi Tomb, Birla Mandir, and Hussain Sagar Lake with the huge statue of Buddha in the middle are a few of the tourist attractions. Hyderabad is also famous for its Bidri work. The people of Hyderabad mostly speak Telugu, Urdu, Hindi, and English. The festivals celebrated are Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Navratri, and Tyagaraja festival. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat, though it is not its capital. It is located along the banks of the river Sabarmati. The Sabarmati ashram built by Gandhiji lies in this city. The city is famous for its textile industry. Besides the Sabarmati ashram, the other places of tourist interest are the walled city, Akshardham temple, Siddhi Bashir mosque, Kankaria lake, and the kite museum. The main festivals celebrated are Uttarayan, the annual kite flying festival, Navaratri, Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Christmas. The people perform Ras Garba during the 9-day Navaratri celebrations. The people here speak Gujarati, Hindi, and English. Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is commonly known as the Pink City because of its old palaces and buildings built with pink sandstone. Maharaja Jai Singh II founded the city nearly 300 years ago. It is one of India's first planned cities. Jaipur is known for its handicraft made of marble, ivory, metal, and stone. It is also known for tie and dye cloth and jewelry made of precious and semi-precious stones. The city palace, Hawa Mahal, Rambagh Palace, and the remarkable observatory Jantar Mantar are the places of tourist interest in the city. People here mainly speak Rajasthani and Hindi. English, Punjabi, and Sindhi are also spoken. The main festivals celebrated here are Teej, Gangaur, Kite Festival, Elephant Festival, and the Jaipur Literature Festival. Did you know Hawa Mahal or the Palace of Wind has 953 small windows called jharokas? These windows allow the wind to blow through and keep the rooms cool. The top 3 floors of the palace are only 1 room wide. Lucknow. Popularly known as the city of Nawabs, Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is situated on the banks of the river Gomti. It is a city full of history. Places of interest are the Residency, Bada and Chota Imambadas, Rumi Darwaza, Clock Tower, and Shaheed Smarak. Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Christmas are the main festivals celebrated here. Lucknow is famous for its food. It is also famous for its clothes embroidered in chicken curry, fragrances called Ittar, and handicrafts such as pottery, earthen toys, silver, and gold foil work. The people mainly speak Hindi and Urdu. English is also spoken. Did you know chicken curry is the traditional embroidery of Lucknow? It is delicate work done by hand. It is done on a variety of materials like cotton, silk, and chiffon. Guwahati. Situated along the banks of the river Brahmaputra, Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam. It is also the biggest city of northeastern India. Guwahati is famous for its bamboo craft and wicker work. Shops here are specialized in Assam's famous golden colored silk known as Muga and Assam tea. The places of tourist interest are the Kamakhya Temple, Assam State Museum, Forest Museum, Srimanta Shankardev Kalashetra, and Guwahati Planetarium. The important festivals are Rangoli Utsav, Durga Puja, Diwali, and the Ambu Bachi Mela, held at the Kamakhya Temple. Bohag Bihu is one of the most widely celebrated festivals in Guwahati. People here mainly speak Assamese, Bengali, and English.